carbs, monkeys driving cars, monkeys taking over the world, monkeys fucking all the girls. Monkeys eating carbs, monkeys driving cars, monkeys taking over the world, monkeys fucking all of the girls. Monkeys fucking all of the girls. Don't like monkeys raping all the young boys. Monkeys like carbs and also like cars. I have a friend called Harrison and he is one of the monkeys. That's an embarrassment. Jack is shit at freestyles and he also rapes boys. Jack is shit at life and he has an ugly wife. Jack is shit at everything and one of them is to sing. Jack is a cunt in general. He's worthless. Sam is good at everything. That shit makes me cry. Everybody loves him, but me, I wanna die. He's a lovely man, but he is kinda gay. I know that he's not fruity, but I'll say it anyway, unless he is. Yeah, I'm gay. I'll say it anyway. Did I say it right? You fucked that up completely. Yeah, you said it anyway. Yeah. These monkeys making mashed potato, fucking up the mashed potato. Monkeys are shit at making mash. Yeah, I need some help real fast. Up.